Okay, it is May 15th, 2024. This is a little Overwatch thing that I have seen. And this happened today after the recent update. All of the mythic skins and the mythic shop have disappeared. I've worked hard to get those. Blizzard, give me back my mythics that I worked hard for and paid for. I'm just wondering, where the hell are they? Like, I'm close to finishing the Mercy Mythic. I just need to do one more page and 2 extra on the other, and then I'll have it. But then also, give me the rest. Where did they go?